India's leading food and beverage company, and I'm working there as an HR intern. My experience in Lite-Bite Foods has been incredibly enriching and rewarding. I have been actively involved in HR functions, gaining practical experience in everything, starting from candidate sourcing and recruiting to onboarding. This hands-on experience has given me a comprehensive understanding of HR process. Additionally, I have had an opportunity to collaborate with Training and Development Department. There I used to give trainings to the employees and conduct weekly HR inductions on Mondays. I have also involved myself in planning and executing the employment engagement programs to maintain a dynamic and dedicated workplace environment. I'm immensely thankful to 5 Business School for this wonderful opportunity which has given me a chance to explore myself, my